this is a really fun, super simple way to spruce up your bathroom decor. So I start with a hand towel, and all I'm gonna do is just roll it up a little bit here. So now I've rolled my hand towel. Then I'm going to take some of our rhinestone mesh, and I'm going to take an adhesive dot, because this will hold it, and the adhesive dot will come off the towel. Whereas with a glue gun, it might ruin your towel. So that's why I like to use these adhesive dots. So I'm just gonna put that like that and set it aside. Now I'm gonna take my Bowdabra, and I'm going to take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm folding it in half and laying it down into my Bowdabra and just tucking the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I have this beautiful floral pick. I'm just gonna lay this down in here. Then I have my Bowdabra, a rhinestone mesh, and this really pretty ribbon. And I'm just gonna lay the mesh on top of the ribbon, and I'm gonna put it upside down and just try to make sure my mesh is centered. And I'm going to now do a little mountain up like we do for our hair bows. And then I'm gonna fold this back around. I'm just gonna make a simple 2-loop bow, and I'm gonna again make sure that my mesh is in the center and loop it around and put that in upside down. And then now I'm just gonna take, again, keep my mesh in the center and put a little mountain up there and just make sure that they're even. Then I'm gonna take my really pretty, actually I think I wanna pull this over just a little bit, take my really pretty rose, and I love these burlap roses because they really work for any time of the year. I'm gonna take my Bowdabra wand and scrunch everything into my Bowdabra. Now, I'm gonna take my wire, pull it through the slip knot that I have, and pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. And as you can see, everything stays pretty tight once you've got your Bowdabra bow wire on there. I'm gonna separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and just tie a knot, tie another knot, and clip my wire. This is what I love about the wire too, is you can just clip it. Then now, I'm just gonna shape it, and shape it here, and shape the other side. Then I'm gonna put it into, just take my stem from my spray and shape it all right here. And you have a really beautiful little decor piece for your bathroom. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.